Hi, this video is about main visual lighting for 3D scenes, 3-point lighting. Key light, fill light, and backlight. Add sphere and plane, vidate and subdivide. Select PBR mode in shading menu. You can make superficial lighting by changing the environment settings, but we need both an object such as a plane and light to cast shadows. Add a light from shading menu. By pressing these 3 points, we can adjust the settings of that light. The light is first turned on directionally. This directional light only creates the shadow of the object where you want it. For this, you can change and adjust the rotation. Add light as key light. If we think of the arrow as a camera, it should be 1545 degrees to the side of the camera. Key light represents the dominant light such as the sun, window, or ceiling light. Select Spot for key light. Adjust the settings by pressing the 3 dots. Decrease the intensity setting and make a softer light. Let's increase the softness setting here so that it is not too bright and spread the light over a wide area with Cone Angel. It should be brighter than the other lights that illuminate the front of the object. Close the shadow of key light from here. Let's check the position of the key light from the front view. Add second light as fill light. Fill light should come opposite side of key light, simulates secondary light and softens and extends the illumination provided by the key light. While making the settings, choose it as a spot. If you want, you can choose it as a point. Fill light can be raised to the height of the subject, but should be lower than the key. Add the light as backlight. Backlight creates a bright line around the object. Separate the object from the background. Adjust until it gives you a bright, highlights the top or side edge for object. You can color the backlight to add ambience. Let's give the backlight a little blue color. Now enlarge the plane to fill the screen with the gizmo and look at the final shape. This time I'll change the object and base for shadow. Take the head right positions and select Tube tool and curve. Let's put a longitudinal tube under the object as I showed. Thin the tube with amber circle. Now tap to reset view and relarge the tube with gizmo's red circle. Open the PBR mode and try the previously set lights with the base we made with Tube tool. We actually talked about 3 lights: key, fill, and back. You can turn the direction light off if you want. Change the color of tube and make a little dark base. Let's make our final changes in our lights. I hope the lighting, which is based on 3-point lighting, has been useful for you. I'll come to the end of my video. If you want to learn more, please check out my other videos.